Toyota Altis, installed Android head unit with 360 camera, 4GB RAM, 64GB ROM, TF10, Optimus brand. Ito po yung ating front camera, side camera, rear camera, and another side camera. GB RAM, 64GB ROM, 10 inches, Optimus brand, Android head unit with 360 camera and voice command. Ito po yung ating mga apps. Yan. Yan po. Meron po siyang AI voice command at saka Google Assistant. So, try po natin si AI voice command. Open radio. Volume down. Open YouTube. Turn on navigation. So, yan po yung ibang command. Pwede mong gamitin. So, off mo lang pag hindi siya gagamitin. Yan po. Try naman po natin si Google Assistant. Yan po. Press mo lang siya. Want to go SM San Lazaro. So, siya po yung kukuha ng route through Google Map kasi Google Assistant po siya.
Let's go.
Pwede mo rin pong gamitin through application tulad ni Spotify at saka ni YouTube. Try po natin. Play Gigi Gilana on YouTube. So, siya yung kukuha ng singer through YouTube. Okay. Working din po yung steering wheel natin. Ayan. Yung mode po natin naka-dedicate kay 360. Once sa pinindot mo, lalabas po si 360. Yan sir. Full calibrated po siya. Yung 360 po natin ay merong auto trigger within 20 kph pababa. May auto trigger tayong tinatawag na once na nag-signal light ka. Yan. Left signal. Right signal. Hazard. So pag hazard both side. Then reverse. Okay. So, yan yung 360 natin, working. Exit lang po tayo. Ayan. Pwede rin siyang gamitin through steering wheel, yan mode. Okay. Working. 4GB RAM, 64GB ROM, Android head unit with 360 camera. Thank you.